In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from 1688 without an agent. Start by creating and setting up your 1688 account. Download the 1688 app, then register using either your mobile number, an Alibaba account, or your WeChat login. Complete the in-app verification so your account can place orders and message suppliers without restrictions. Because 1688 is primarily in Chinese, turn on translation tools. On desktop, enable Chrome's built-in translation. On mobile, use Google Translate or a screen translator to read product pages, policies, and chat messages. This will help you understand specifications, variations, and trade terms before you commit to anything. Next, search for your product. Enter the product name in the search bar or use image search by uploading a clear photo. Filter results and open several listings to compare pricing, minimum order quantities, and shipping options across suppliers. Save links to build a shortlist. Before you buy anything, verify credibility. Favor stores with high ratings and detailed reviews, a verified supplier or factory badge, multiple years in business, and a large number of completed orders. A complete company profile with addresses, business licenses, and photos is a good sign. Strong vetting reduces the risk of delays, quality issues, or scams. Reach out to your shortlisted supplier using chat now. Introduce your requirements clearly and ask about product quality standards, the exact minimum order quantity, total shipping cost to your destination or to your forwarder, production and lead times, and any available customization such as colors, branding, or packaging. Save chats and quotes for reference and clarity. Request a product sample before placing a bulk order. Pay the sample cost promptly, then evaluate the material quality, workmanship, packaging, and whether the item matches the listing photos and specifications. A small test now prevents costly mistakes later. When you're ready to pay, stay inside the 1688 payment flow. Use the platform's secured payment, Alipay, or a bank transfer initiated within 1688. Avoid sending money via personal accounts or off-platform links. This keeps your transaction protected by platform policies. If you're not using a sourcing agent, work with a reliable freight forwarder. They can consolidate shipments from multiple suppliers, handle customs paperwork, arrange inspections, and often secure better shipping rates. Ask your supplier to deliver to your forwarder's warehouse if needed. Once your order ships, obtain the tracking number and monitor progress. Keep communication open with the supplier or forwarder, and confirm delivery promptly so funds can be released correctly. Finally, inspect goods immediately on arrival. Check quality against your order, document everything with photos or video, and report any issues quickly so you can request replacements or refunds according to the platform's rules.